The UX design industry is booming. In fact, some experts predict that user experience designers might become the #1 highest paying job in future, surpassing many developers and other software jobs. If you are an aspiring UX designer and are wondering what career paths are open to you, the truth is that there are many job opportunities if you know how to go about it. It's a fact that if you want to become successful, you need to combine your creative interest with your smarts. Plus, who wouldn't want to be in the field with limitless potential? As of now, UX design is one of the hottest jobs out there, and it's only going to grow in the future. The average salary for a UX designer is $97,665 per year in the United States, and a UX designer's salary in India ranges between 2.1 lakhs to 15 lakhs, with an average annual wage of rupees 5.5 lakhs. Becoming a user experience designer, however, is no small feat, and it takes some serious skills. The good news is that there are resources available to help you along the way. One such quality program that can help you become a UX designer is Udacity's Become a UX Designer Nanodegree program. The UX Designer Nanodegree program on Udacity has been rated 4.7 out of 5 after 1000 plus reviews. That's a good one. And this is a complete beginner level program which does not require any prerequisites. So anyone can enroll in this program and learn everything about UX design that help them become a successful UX designer. In this 3 months Nanodegree program, you will learn to design the most effective user experiences for products in today's digital world and build a portfolio that showcases your potential to transform user research to high-fidelity interactive designs. By using their tailor-made learning plans, you can learn at your own pace and reach your personal goals on the schedule that works best for you. So it's completely flexible. Skills covered in this UX Designer Nanodegree program on Udacity includes, but not limited to, user research, user experience, prototyping, interactive design, user interface design, and usability testing. Udacity's Become a UX Designer Nanodegree program consists of 4 courses, and at the end of each course, you will be required to work on a project which will automatically enhance your technical skills. The very first course in this list is UX Fundamentals and Design Research, in which you will learn the core principles of human-centered design and how to appropriately scope a design problem. You will also learn how to empathize the users when performing user research, and then you will learn to apply psychology to design sketches, keeping the end user in mind. Second one is Concept to Low Fidelity Prototyping. In this course, you will learn the process of a design sprint and how to translate findings from research into a prototype that can be tested with users. You will also learn to apply user interface principles in the design of a clickable prototype and conduct a usability test to gain valuable feedback from users that can be used in design iterations. Third course is High Fidelity Prototyping to Post-Launch Analysis, in which you will learn advanced user interface principles to build interactive designs that are ready to be handed off to engineering for feedback. You can also learn how to assess the engagement of the product through remote usability testing and other experimentation methods in this course. Finally, you will learn how to improve design and user experiences based on engagement data in order to increase key performance indicators. The final part is Capstone, UX Portfolio Design. You will learn to demonstrate your skills by showcasing your designs and processes in a portfolio. You will get to know what should and what shouldn't be included in a portfolio, how to use storytelling and branding frameworks to create a personal profile that conveys a unique value proposition. You'll also learn best practices for maintaining and updating a UX portfolio. In this course series, you will expect to learn numerous concepts involved in the UX design process. And after completing this Nanodegree program, you can earn a verified certificate from Udacity, and you can share it in LinkedIn, attach it to your resume, or add wherever you want. Check the link in description to know more about Udacity's Become a UX Designer Nanodegree program and its current price. For those who enroll in the UX Designer Nanodegree program, Udacity offers technical mentor support, through which their expert mentors will be answering your questions, motivating you, and will keep you on track. Additionally, you will have access to a LinkedIn profile optimization service from Udacity to help you advance your career. Would you like to see what people are saying about this Nanodegree program? Take a look at these reviews from people who actually took this UX Designer Nanodegree program on Udacity. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in description and become a UX designer by enrolling in this Become a UX Designer Nanodegree program today.